cement truck in front of me.
Look at this. 2.
Look at all the water that thing's taking.
That water. It's right there on the ground and the rainfall on the windshield. Let's see if I can catch. I'm gonna see if I can catch some lightning.
Just depends where it shows up.
What was that?
That was the brakes in that cement truck that we're stuck behind.
Okay.
And I don't want to be stuck behind it. But he is just not going to get over.
So far, I've not caught some lightning.
Because he's not nice.
Oh!
That was real.
I just caught some lightning through my own eyes. Maybe not on this camera, because I didn't turn it enough in time. Dang.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh. Did you see why he was stopped?
Kind of.
There was a big old dumpster right in the road, right in his way. You know what? I'll just be patient and drive behind this big old thing.
Let's see if I can catch some more. That was good.
I don't know if I'd get around it. I would so love to, but what's happens in the road?
I'm just trying to see some lightning.
I know. What's it look like in front of me?
It's like my mini storm chase so far.
Maybe. They all got stuck by the lights. We can get ahead of all of them.
It's my mini storm chase to now see some lightning. I don't think tornadoes, because it's not the right storm.
Okay, so did they? Get in front of this one. Because I'm tired of being behind all the big things.
If you saw some lightning, let me know.
Well, we might, but I'd rather not. But we
I'm
might.
looking at these storm clouds so I can... Because that's where the lightning can come from, not anywhere else.
All of these are hefty clouds, though.
Yep. That can't be a tornado, can it? That can't be a tornado, can it? So far, I've not seen the perfect of lightning yet on my camera. As soon as I can see a strike of lightning, I can. Let's say if we can find 5 or 1 through 5. Afterwards, stop it, and if possible, I can show it as a comment to Pecos Hank.
55. I just saw lightning on the left.
Are you serious? Oh, I didn't.
It's
I
so
missed
random, but Christian, there's almost no way you can predict. You just have to point one direction and hope you catch it, you know?
Look up here.
Austin. No question, we want Austin.
In half a mile, keep right to stay on US 183 North.
I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to. Whoa! I just caught some lightning, at least behind
Sure
Carrie's
about that?
window. It was behind Carrie's window, but I couldn't move the camera
Then use
fast
any lane
enough.
to take the Texas 130 North ramp. Use any lane to take the Texas 130 North ramp, then merge onto Texas 130 North.
Oh, I should have done that. I don't want the toll.
Oh, because we're on another
We'll
road.
see what it says.
It's driving us away from the storm.
Oh, this is an alternate. I don't want the toll road. Why would I want the toll
Do you
road?
have tolls turned off on Google Maps?
I thought I did. I thought it said it was toll free.
There was
It's
lightning
working.
behind my car.
Apparently this works just fine.
I see.
I guess the toll
why
road's that one right there
lightning's
beside
very
us.
unpredictable.
Which, going into Austin, we may wish we were on it. I don't know.
This storm chase was fun while it lasted. Cause now Mom's driving away.
I don't like driving through storms. It slows me down. Visibility is down. I guess I'm gonna have to get on this road. It seems to want me to. We'll do what it wants. Oh, I see. We definitely want to get on. It's going to be constant lights if we don't. Hex to the knob.
In half a mile, use the left lane to take the Texas 130 ramp.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Use the left lane to take the Texas 130 ramp.
Clearly, I don't have it turned off. Oh,
In a
wow.
quarter mile, merge onto Texas 130 North.
Good thing I found $70.
I think it's volatile.
Huh?
Actually, I don't know.
Actually, I've never heard of Highway 130.
Neither have I.
So that means it could all be tolled for all we know. But if it makes us go
Continue
through
on
Austin,
Texas 130 North for 7 miles.
if we pass Austin on this road, I'll pay $30. Because Austin is traffic. Did I say, what? Is that a mistake?
What?
Did you see how speed limit 85 on this road? Did you see what I just saw?
No.
I really did. I'm not kidding. This is speed limit 85.
Amazing.
That's what you get when you pay tolls. I'm going 85. Usually I go 5 over, but there's no point in going 90. Especially with the roads got a little wetness to them. If I see another one of those, I'm going to point it out to you because I want you to see it.
Who?
I've never seen a speed limit 85 sign before, except in Utah.
I don't think
This
that's a
truck
tornado. Which highway are we on?
I forgot. 361, I think.
Okay.
See, there it is. Carrie.
Oh my gosh.
Never seen it before.
Neither have I.
Speed limit 85. Wish I could have gotten a picture of it. Except when you're going 85, you hate to stop, take a pic.
Yeah.
Are we close?
No,
Okay.
I don't know exactly. I'll let you know when I get a real mileage idea. Right now, all I can tell you is we're going 85, and I'm happy. Because this is cool. The bad news is it's not going to last long. I don't even know what this is. It's not an interstate. It's a toll road 130. It's a road you can go 85 miles an hour. It must be an expensive road because nobody's on it. Here we come. I want a picture of that thing.
Picture of what?
85 miles an hour. Hope I got it.
In half a mile, keep right to stay on Texas 130 North.
In half a mile. Okay.
Keep right to stay on Texas 130 North.
I don't know, but this thing might just take us around Austin.
might be turning away from the storm, I guess, but man, I really liked that storm chase, but
what do you do?
not much storm stuff was going on here.
When you're on a road where the speed limit is 80 and you're going 40 because of truckers not being kind and considerate. Texas. One of the worst traffic centers in the world. Everybody wants around these two big things, but they just want to drive together. Rude. Here we go again.
I think this may be another storm.
It is like scattered showers, you know. You walk into one, you drive into one, you drive out of one, you drive around. You see them on your side, you see them,
The only storm characteristics I've seen so far is rain. But there was also lightning. I was just not fast enough for. Hold up, I need to think about what I say. Hold up. Looks like it is almost like a scattered storm, but it's about to move out. We might be driving out of it already. Okay, all I've seen so far in the storm characteristics in this thunderstorm were rain, and there was also lightning. I wasn't fast enough to move my camera to the lightning before it disappeared. There was lightning, I just wasn't fast enough.
However, take a notice at the name of the truck, the bus in front of us. That's right, Tornado Tours.
But I might record some more. But anyways, I will record some more of this Pecos Hank if I ever see any more of this, but I doubt I will. I may not. Nope, we're driving out of it. But if we're not, then I'll record more. Alright, that's it.